फिर वो प्रेजेंट last class where we have stopped, can you check?
On third sum of, I guess, speed, we have to start with velocity.
We have done speed word.
स्पीड का थर्ड क्वेश्चन तक
क्या लिखा है तेरे को? जरा क्या लिखा है?
a man covers half distance
Okay,
with speed.
that means average speed we have done.
Yeah.
Okay. One second. What is velocity defined as? This we have not done. Definition of velocity.
No.
Okay. The rate of change of displacement is called as velocity. The rate of change of displacement is called as velocity. Therefore, V is displacement upon time, which we can also write as ds upon dt. Its SI unit is meter per second. It is vector quantity. Okay, clear this much?
Yes.
Yeah, copy please.
Done.
Okay. Hello.
Sir, just a minute.
लास्ट ईयर सीट का देखो काइनेमेटिक्स का एमपीजी का वो दे दें। हाँ। मालूम है ना? हाँ, एमपीजी का एमसीक्यू है ना 190 यानी कि 3 से 4 करते हैं साथ में। और उसका फिर फोन करता हूँ। डन ना?
Yes, sir, done.
ओके। Suppose I draw a graph of displacement against time. What is slope of displacement against time? Will it be ds by dt?
Yeah.
because y coordinate means s. So change in y is ds, change in x is dt. Is it nothing but velocity?
Yeah.
So if it is straight line passing through origin, then tan theta will give me slope.
Yes.
So tan theta is slope, which is called velocity if graph is a straight line. For curve, how to get velocity? If displacement time graph is curve, then at every point velocity will be different, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So you have to draw tangent at that point where we want velocity.
Yes.
So for curve, velocity is different at different points. Velocity is different at different point. It is slope of tangent at that point. You write first one, complete till this, then below that write second one and complete, so that it is easy to understand. First, then below that second, complete this. Completed, then say, huh?
That's sir, mine.
Okay. Find velocity at t equal to 1 second, t equal to 2 second, t equal to 3 second, if s equals to t square. What is s?
Displacement.
Displacement, correct. From displacement, I want velocity. So I should find derivative. ds by dt is velocity.
Yeah.
So can we say it is t square ka derivative,
Yes.
which is nothing but 2t x raised to
Yeah,
n ka derivative, yaad hai? Power
yes, sir.
becomes multiplier,
Yeah.
so 2t.
Yes, sir. 2t.
Okay, so formula we are using this, d if y equals to x raised to n, this formula we have used, then dy by dx is n x raised to
NX
n minus 1. So n matlab ye 2, so 2 I multiplied, power ek kam, 2 minus 1 is 1, so v equal to 2t, clear?
Yeah.
Now when t equal to 1 second, v will be 2 into 1, that means 2 meter per second. Same
Yes.
when t equals to 2 second, v will be 2 into 2, that is 4 meter per second. Correct?
Yeah.
And when t equal to 3, then
6 meters per second.
correct. 2 into 3, v equal to 6. Anybody who has not followed this sum?
So can you explain it again?
First distance is given t square. I want velocity. Velocity मतलब rate of change of displacement, मतलब मैथ्स में डेरिवेटिव. ग्राफ रहेगा तो स्लोप. तो अभी ये t रेस टू 2 का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? फॉर्मूला पावर मल्टीप्लायर होता है और एक कम, 2 minus 1 is 1.
Yes.
So v is 2t. Then put t1, one answer, t2, second answer, t3, third answer.
Okay, got it.
Got it?
Done.
Everybody has done?
Yes, sir.
Second. S equals to t raised to 3 minus 6t square. Find velocity at t equal to 1 second and t equal to 3 seconds. What is velocity from displacement? From displacement, what will be velocity? Yes,
T square minus 6t.
3t square first, correct?
Yeah.
Minus 12t,
Yes.
6 into 2, 12, power 1 less, 12t, clear?
Yes.
So when t equal to 1 second, what will be v? 3 into 1 square minus 12 into 1. So can I say it is 3 minus 12? That is minus 9 meter per second.
Yeah.
And when t equal to 3, v will become 3 into 3 square minus 12 into 3. 9 3s are 27 minus 36.
9.
That means minus 9 meter per second. Any doubt?
No.
Solve it.
10, sir.
Okay.
So just a minute. Yes, sir.
Done, no? What is meaning of rest? Body is
Velocity is 0.
very good. Velocity is 0. So if S is same t cube minus 6t square, find the time when the body is at rest. At rest means we were time when velocity becomes 0, correct now?
Yeah.
So
And
first I
basically-
should know velocity. That means what is velocity? Is it ds by dt? Which is 3t square minus 12t. Then I can say at rest v is 0. That means
Yeah.
3t square minus 12t should be 0. Correct? So
Yes.
3t square equals to 12t. That means t equal to 12 by 3. So t equal to 4 seconds. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sorry. Completed? Okay. So displacement given, how to get velocity, you are getting confidence?
Yes.
3t square plus 4t plus 9. Find velocity at t equals to 2 second and average velocity 1 minute. 140. अच्छा लेकिन 150 में गया क्या अपना? हाँ ठीक है, तो ले लो फिर नहीं 148 रखना फिर इसको. अच्छा ठीक है, ले लो ले लो. हाँ चलेगा. हाँ हाँ चले कोई बात नहीं. अच्छा तो मतलब इतना ट्रेड हो गया ना. हाँ अपन अभी रखते हैं 151 पे रखते हैं. ठीक ठीक है. चलेगा चलेगा. average velocity between t equal to 1 and t equal to 4 seconds. Krisha, can you tell how to start this sum?
So first we have to find the velocity.
No, first you have to write this s. Then we have to find velocity. Very true. How to get this? Tell me, Gavravi, how to get now?
Yes, sir.
How to find this now? Then take derivative, no?
So the answer would be 60 plus 4 because we'll just multiply and then
60 plus 4, correct. Now when t is 2 second, what will be v? 6 into 2 plus 4, 12 plus 4. Can I say 16 meter per second?
yes.
Yes.
Now I want average velocity. It is total displacement upon total time. Total displacement upon total time. Displacement we want at 4 second and 1 ka beech mein. So can I say it is displacement in 4 minus displacement is in 1 upon time 4 minus 1, not followed.
Followed.
Load, sir.
हाँ
Followed.
हाँ followed.
समझा.
Okay, कर लो इतना solve करो, then I am putting the values.
Since the average velocity 6 meters per second.
Average velocity is no. Average velocity is coming 57 upon 3. That is 19, I think. Just complete till this, then I'm substituting the values. Have you completed?
I've written. I guess others are writing.
Okay. Yeah, others have done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So S4 will become 3 into 4 square plus 4 into 4 plus 9. This is when time 4 you got distance. Then T1, 3 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus 9 upon 3. What is 4 square? 16. 16 3 is 48
48.
plus 16 plus 9 minus 3 plus 4 plus 9 divided by 3. 16 and 9, is it 25?
Yeah.
Correct, no? 16
Yes.
25. And 48 plus 25 will be how much? 80. 48 plus 25, is it 83?
70.
73, yes, correct, 73. Minus 9 and 4, 13, 3, 16 upon 3. 13 minus 3, 6 is 7.
7.
57 upon 3, that means 19, है ना?
Yeah.
19 meter per second.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, whenever we will use derivatives, we have to mention that in the bracket or like you did in the first sum now.
No.
No.
Formula?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No. That too I had explained you because many students might have forgotten.
Okay.
There is also another catch because we cannot write the formula in MCQs.
No, for you MCQs में तो you have to only mark the correct option. No,
Yeah, that is why. That is why we don't have to submit the theory test.
no. So shall I clear this now?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sure. What is acceleration?
Velocity upon time.
So can I say rate of change of velocity?
Yeah.
The rate of change of velocity is called as acceleration. So we can say A is V minus U upon T, or A equals to dV by dt. Okay or not?
Yes, sir.
It is a vector quantity. Total maths जैसा है ये chapter. What will be its SI unit? Meter
Meters per second.
per
Yes.
second square. Please copy. Done?
Yes.
So just a minute.
See, you are knowing that today's lecture is at 9:30.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
I didn't start it because I thought you people are knowing or not, so you will not be aware. So henceforth your lecture is 9:30. Please remember now. So you
Yes.
have to be prepared. Because Monday's lecture was cancelled, so I thought you might not be remembering. So I didn't kept at 9:30. But henceforth it is 9:30 to 11. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Shall I clear it off?
Yeah.
Okay. Now graph of velocity versus time, sometimes also called as VT graph. If it is straight line passing through origin, then what is slope? Is it
And
dv
theta.
by dt? Is it dv by dt?
Yeah.
What is dv by dt called as?
Acceleration.
Acceleration.
Means it is acceleration. So in displacement time graph, slope is velocity, and in velocity time graph, slope is acceleration. If it is coming in curve, then acceleration is
Mhm.
uniform or non-uniform?
Uniform. I guess.
Non-uniform. At every point, slope will change. So slope at given point. So you have to draw tangent here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Slope at given point is acceleration at that point. Write down.
So what have you written after slope is given at?
Slope at given point. Slope is given at where I have written. Slope at given point.
Done, sir.
Yeah, completed, no?
Yeah.
Same type in place of S now V I am giving. 2t square minus 4t. Find acceleration at t equals to 3 seconds. Also find average acceleration from 0 to 3 seconds. So V is 2t square minus 4t. How to get acceleration? dv by dt?
Yeah.
That means 4t minus 4.
Yeah.
So acceleration will be 4 into 3 minus 4 when t equal to 3. That means A is 20 minus 4, A equal to 8 meter per second square. Okay. What is meaning of average acceleration? Total change in velocity
on total.
upon total time. Total change in velocity means v at 3 second minus v at 0 second upon time 3 minus 0. So 2 into 3 square minus 4 into 3 and minus of 2 into 0 square minus 4 into 0 upon 3. 3 square 9, 9 twos are 18 minus 12 minus 0 upon 3. What is 18 minus 12? Is it 6? And 6 upon 3 will become 2. Correct? Followed?
Yes.
Solve.
Done.
Okay.
Wait, sir, please.
Once you complete, please tell her.
Done, sir.
Okay. S is t raised to 3 minus 6t square. Find acceleration when body is at rest. What is meaning of body at rest again? Velocity is 0, na? So actually I have to find acceleration, but when body is at rest. So I have to first find velocity and then check the time when it is coming to 0. And then velocity का derivative put t that time. 3 part है सब में. First displacement से get velocity. Put velocity 0, you will get time. फिर velocity का derivative will get acceleration. Not followed.
For
The S is given, na? I
S2
want
can
when
reach
body is at
to-
rest. Body is at rest when velocity is 0. That means first I have to find velocity. 3t square minus 12t, correct?
Yes.
At rest, what about v? Is it 0?
Zero.
So 3t square minus 12t will become 0. 3t square is 12t. 1t cancel. So t equal to 12 upon 3 equal to 4 seconds. That means our sum becomes find acceleration at time 4 seconds. Correct?
Yes.
What we got v as 3t square minus 12t.
Yeah.
So derivative will give me acceleration.
Yeah.
That is 6t minus 12.
Yeah.
Now, when t is 4, 6 into 4 minus 12, 24 minus 12 equal to 12 meter per second square. Anybody who has not followed? Yes, anybody who has not followed?
One second.
Okay, please do it then.
Done.
S is 3t I cap plus 4t j cap. Find velocity and speed at t equal to 1 second and acceleration at t equal to 2 seconds. Displacement is given in vector form. So its derivative will give me velocity. And velocity ka magnitude will give me speed. S bar is 3t I cap plus 4t j cap. So v bar is ds bar upon dt. 3 is constant, I is constant. What is derivative of p? Is it 1? 4 is constant, j is constant. Derivative of p is 1. Hello?
Yeah.
So it becomes 3i cap plus 4j cap velocity. Speed equals to magnitude of velocity. So speed is equals to magnitude means only v. Root of 3 square plus 4 square.
Which is 5.
Yes, equal to 5 meter per second. Then acceleration they want. Do this much, then I'm doing acceleration wala part. Any doubt? Please keep on asking. Maths jaisa hai pura.
Done, settle here.
So we know v 3i plus 4j. We want acceleration. From v, how can you get acceleration?
Derivative.
Derivative, correct. 3i is constant.
Yeah.
So 0. 4j is constant. 0. That
0.
means acceleration is what? 0. Got it?
Yes.
Right, further.
Done.
Derive kinematical equations in
Sir,
huh?
in the earlier sum, we have to find at 2 seconds. No?
But time आया ही नहीं, इसका मतलब acceleration है ही नहीं,
Okay.
है ना? Time 2 कभी डालेंगे when t is present. T was not present. That means it is 0. 0 means velocity is remaining constant. That is meaning of that statement.
Okay. Okay.
Derive kinematical equations in vector form. Have you heard about 3 kinematical equation? V is u plus at, s is ut. हाँ, 9th में था ना ये. So same we have to derive now. Let us see whether we can. Consider a body moving with initial velocity u bar. Let v bar be final velocity in time t second. Let a bar comma s bar be acceleration and displacement. Be acceleration and displacement after t seconds. By definition, acceleration a bar is v bar minus u bar upon time. Not followed?
Followed, sir.
Yes. So I can say v bar will be u bar plus a bar into t. This is first kinematical equation. Please copy this much. Last line it is, this is first kinematical equation. First kinematical equation. This is first kinematical equation. Yes, completed.
Just a minute. Yes, sir, done.
Others have also done.
Yes, sir, done.
Last one.
Okay. Then last line you will write, this is first kinematical equation.
And
Okay. Average velocity means total displacement upon total time, correct? So average velocity means final plus initial divided by 2. Total displacement is s bar in time t. So s bar will become v bar plus u bar into t upon 2. V is u bar plus a bar into t plus u bar into t upon 2. See, v is u plus at, u is u, and then I have substituted. What is u plus u? Is it 2u?
2u.
2u plus a bar t into t upon 2. So this is 2 u bar t plus a bar t into t square upon 2. So if I separate the two term, then 2 gets cancelled. So I will get s bar equals to u bar t plus half a bar into t square. Okay.
Yeah.
U bar t plus half a bar t square. This is second kinematical equation. Any doubt? Copy. This is second kinematical equation.
Done, sir.
Everybody is completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is second kinematical equation. Now acceleration is v bar minus u bar upon t, and displacement is v bar plus u bar upon 2, which is average velocity into t. Therefore, a bar dot s bar, we are taking dot product, is v bar minus u bar upon t dot of v bar plus u bar upon 2 into t. This gets cancelled. 2 times a bar dot s bar will be v bar dot v bar plus u bar minus u bar dot of v bar plus u bar. So 2 times a bar dot s bar is v bar dot v bar plus v bar dot u bar minus u bar dot v bar minus of u bar dot u bar. So 2 times a bar dot s bar is equals to v bar dot v bar is v square, v dot u and u dot v are same. So one is plus, other is minus, it will get cancelled. Minus u square. So we get v square is u square plus 2a bar dot s bar. This is third kinematical equation. Copy.
Done, sir.
Till end you have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, others have also done?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Just complete, then tell me. Completed?
Yes.
Yes.
So please revise this and be ready for tomorrow's extra class.